So what does hearing mean? The maqam of hearing is the maqam of power, right? Anyone whom hears means their soul has a power. The one who hears nothing, soul has no power. The one whom hears Allah must have shadeedul quwwa, must be immensely powerful, because sound is what makes everything manifest. Sound comes out, makes energy, energy makes lights, lights make form. The sound of Allah nothing can contain. Allah says, if I make my sound, if I reveal Qur'an onto the mountain, what happens? The power's too much, the mountain doesn't exist at that vibration and would be nothing. Not an angel, not a prophet, not anything in creation can hear the sound of Allah except Muhammadun Rasulullah.